Good day everyone, my name is Ogbodo Charles, the co-founder of the Varlc Project. The Varlc Project is an edtech startup with the sole aim of improving university students' learning experiences and outcomes through peer tutoring. Most public universities in Nigeria admit more students than they have capacity for. As a result, there exists little or no conducive learning environment. This leads students to developing a decline of interest in their academics. In order to solve this problem, we've developed a mobile app where these students can learn at their own pace and convenience from the experiences and teachings of the best students who have done the courses earlier. The solution we offer includes personalized tutorial, quizzes for them to assess how good they have become, AI assistance, and they can also join opportunities communities and many more. Revenue model. It's a subscription-based model where the students make payments and get access to the courses they want to learn. Market validation. Over 60% of the African population are people under the age of 25. Therefore, an investment in education will be essential in unlocking the full potentials of the African youths in the nearest future. We started with the University of Nigeria, and today we've been able to get 2,000 downloads on Play Store and over 1,500 students who are active subscribers on the app, thereby generating revenue of 1.5 million naira plus. We are not just building a startup, but the dreams of thousands of Nigerian students who are craving for a fair chance to excel academically despite every odd. And as time goes on, we'll also want to include JAM tutorials so that students can learn at their own pace and convenience, irrespective of any difficulties or location. Thank you.